Hello and a very warm welcome back to mathsplus. Today we're covering some geometry, and you can see we have 5 discs inside a square. The 5 discs are just touching, and we need to find the smallest length of the side of the square, which contains the 5 discs. So first of all, let's have a quick look at the geometry. If we take the length of r is equal to 1, then we can find the side length AB by adding the two radii together from center to center. If we look horizontally, we cannot do that. So we need to apply some trigonometry to get this base length of the triangle. So first of all, we can inscribe a triangle here within the original configuration, and we can see that 45 degrees must be the corner angle. This is because the triangle is symmetric. Alright, so let's solve now for AC. If we look over here, we have an isosceles triangle. So we don't really have that much information. We don't have the area, or we cannot use Pythagoras theorem at this moment, but we can draw a bisector down the center, and this is going to help us form a right angle triangle here. Right, so let's choose the trigonometric function. So the 2 is the hypotenuse, and the base is half of AC, which is the adjacent. So if we have the adjacent and hypotenuse, we can choose the cosine function. Therefore, we can say that the cos of A is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Now let's input our values, and we can say that cos of 45 degrees is equal to the adjacent. If we look across here, we can see the adjacent is half of AC, and the hypotenuse is 2. Alright, so all we have to do now is multiply up here by our 2. So just multiply up, and we will get 2 cos of 45 degrees, and we will get a half of AC then on the other side. Just look at it back to front. Alright, so remember we need to find the total length of AC, so we're going to actually multiply both sides by 2 at this stage. So we're going to multiply this side by 2 and this side by 2. So the 2's here will give a 4, and the 2's over here will cancel to give a 1. So AC is equal to 4 cos of 45 degrees. So let's get our calculator, set your angle to degrees, and let's compute AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 2 square root 2. Alright, so let's go back to the main problem. And you can see now that we have enough information to get the total length, as we have center to center horizontally, and also we have 1 here and 1 on the right hand side as well. And that's it. Your length of the side of the smallest square around 5 discs with radius of r is equal to 1 is 2 plus 2 root 2. So a massive thank you for joining me in mathsplus. You're really awesome, and don't forget to subscribe and look out for the newest video coming very soon.